Let me just fix the audio. Okay. So I wanted to mention, hold up, I can probably get my webcam here. Okay, so some things about this. Alright, so first off, what do you call it? I demoed a new way to handle this thing, which I think is faster. And it's faster because of whoops. We may as well. We'll do a run. Oh no. So this bit. Oh, that was pretty terrible. Whoops, too much diagonal. So this is we take 5, go around that one, grab these, alright, whoops, and then, oh, well, the idea is we use this to maintain a speed boost so that we can come in here faster, and then get around here faster, and this gets us in here. I actually also think it might be faster to go this way first, but that might be either crossing over or not, depending. But that might just be an artifact of me being bad at this section. like, it might be faster to go that way first if you don't have a speed boost, as I don't. However, when Combo comes in here, he, I think, either is very close to still having a speed boost with this one, or does still have some speed boost at this point. And so it makes sense to maintain your like velocity, like the trajectory, if you don't, what do you call it? If you still have speed. Like, if you got speed, you don't want to change velocity, but if you don't have speed, then changing velocity is, that's a good time to change velocity, when you're, when you don't have speed. Whoops. You'll notice that if you look at the WSAD at the bottom there, that I try to accelerate diagonally as much as possible, including deceleration. Whoops. Also, if you're going slow, picking up this one early is, I think, better, because you can take this corner more tightly. If you don't pick it up early, though, then you basically have to stop and pick it up and then keep going. Yeah, so if you're... that means that basically you get to maintain straighter lines, like when you're up here, going this way, you sort of come across like this, and then brake to pick it up, and then you can aim down this way, and you have a straighter, like, run-through to this point. Which is, of course, good. Thanks, little villager. Yeah. Anyway, let's get some mesh speed stuff. So, yeah, you'll notice in the top left I've got this mesh speed thingy. The idea is that's taken from the player mesh object, which is the thing that's actually moving in Unity, in the physics engine. God, if I can slow down to think. And if we're careful, we can clip through walls. Yeah, there we go, cool. So yeah, so we can clip through stuff. And now we're stuck. Yeah, you can see that the mesh speed definitely gets above the yeah, what we might otherwise expect. I don't know why there's collision on these, like, so this seems funny, because, like, why would you expect players to... Oh, I guess it's probably safe, right? This is weird, I've never been around here. The velocity sort of thing that happens with collision is a bit weird too. It sort of like pushes you back a little bit in a weird way. Anyway, yeah. So hopefully that's enough data. This fade out's so slow.